TOZO HT3 Headphones deliver powerful bass and clear, immersive sound for music, gaming, and calls. Engineered for all-day comfort with a lightweight design and soft ear cushions for extended listening sessions. What's in the box? In the box, you find the TOZO HT3 headphones, charging cable, 3.5mm aux cable, and user manual. How to wear. Wear the headphones with the L logo on your left ear and the R logo on your right ear. Adjust the length of the headband should fit comfortably. How to charge. To charge the headphones, plug the USB-C cable into the headphones and connect it to a power source. A red light will turn on to indicate that charging has started. Make sure the cable is properly connected. Once fully charged, the light may turn off or change color. How to pair. Download the TOZO app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. It allows you to manage settings, customize controls, adjust EQ, and update firmware. Using the app enhances your experience and gives you greater control over your TOZO headphones. To pair the headphones, first turn them on and make sure they enter pairing mode, indicated by a flashing light. Then open Bluetooth settings on your device and search for available devices. Select TOZO HT3 from the list and confirm the pairing request when it appears. Once connected, the flashing light will stop, indicating a successful connection. First, open it and sign in or create an account if required. Then allow the app to search for nearby devices and TOZO HT3 should appear automatically. Tap on it to connect, and you may see a quick disclaimer about voice control features, which you can skip if not needed. Once connected, the app will show the battery percentage and device status at the top. Smart features? Automatically adjusts noise reduction based on your surroundings, blocking unwanted background sounds for a more focused listening experience. Helps you enjoy music, calls, or content clearly, whether you're indoors, traveling, or in noisy environments. Enjoy up to 90 hours of uninterrupted playback on a single charge, making it perfect for long trips and daily use. Delivers extended listening time so you can focus on music, calls, or gaming without worrying about frequent recharging. Delivers rich, detailed sound with deep bass and clear highs for a truly immersive listening experience. Dual drivers enhance audio clarity, making music, calls, and movies sound more natural and balanced. Lets you personalize your sound with 32 different EQ presets through the app for a tailored listening experience. Easily adjust audio settings to match music genres, calls, or gaming for the perfect sound every time. Supports both Bluetooth wireless use and AUX wired connection for flexible listening in any situation. Switch easily between modes to enjoy uninterrupted audio whether you're at home, work, or on the go. Specifications. Safety precautions. Want to grab the TOZO HT3 headphones from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your TOZO HT3 headphones. See you at the next one.